Hey, Nagalumzus, welcome to Together Brothers, another episode of Betrayal Umtanam. Another day, another banger. Ngabe ngisa another hot one, but kuyabanda uyabona nawe ngiphuma ngathi ngiphuza ikho.
Ngiyadonye fine.
Ngafo. Kamba kahle.
Hayi ngikhona mfo.
Nakho.
Hey siyadumela lapho sinibingelele sinambele ku Together Brothers. Buyile singodokotela bothani. Wangona.
Hawu.
Wangona.
Wangibetray.
Wangibetray.
Njena nje kungenxa yakho.
Ayizakhaya.
No bafethu niyalazi ukuthi amikana ngubusibavusana aka Mavuthela. Awubatshela ukuthi ungubani wena?
Mina hayi bafowethu ngumusa amanqele nithi ngu-Dr. M lapha emakhaya. Bafowethu siyabonga kakhulu for support. Siyabonga kakhulu for ama-subscribers, siyabonga kakhulu for ama-comment. Niqhubeke nje nisupport, niqhubeke nisubscribe. Utshele umngane wakho, utshele ugogo, utshele everyone mfethu ukuthi hey aka-subscribe kuphi ku Together Brothers.
Yeah, akukho kunye, akukho kufuthi la umoya ube subscribe khona ngiyadlala subscribe nakwabanye.
It's end of the day.
End of the day mfethu. End of the day ngiyiphathele yona ukuthi namhlanje isibonelo nje ngiyabanda but kodwa ukubanda angeke kukulethele imali, ukubanda angeke kukukhokhela ama bills. So sukuma lapha endlini ukhahlele ingubo uphume uyosebenza.
Amen. Ngazi ukuthi nami nje uku-add lapho kushoyo. Bafowethu, the question is simple. Are you willing? So are you willing usho ukuthi are you willing ukuthi uphume engubeni kubani? Are you willing ukuthi uluze iweight mhlawumbe kwesithi usumkhulu kakhulu ubona ngathi hayi le weight esenginayo iyangixaka. Are you willing to change that? Because at the end of the day yonke into ukuwena ukuthi are you willing now to change your life? If you want to change your life, you have to be willing. If ufuna ukushintsha impilo yakho, you have to be willing ukuthi mina I want to change my life because angeke kuzenzakalele. Angeke nje kube umlingo ukuthi impilo yakho izoshintsha. Iqala kuwena into ukuthi are you willing now? And if you are willing, uNkulunkulu uzokupha amacebo okuthini ukuthi uyishintshe impilo yakho. Ngawukuthi mhlawumbe ufuna ukuncipha emzimbeni, ngawukuthi mhlawumbe ufuna ukuqala ibusiness, you will definitely find ways to start a business or to change iweight yakho mhlawumbe ukuthi usayithanda. So ngiyakubuza lapha ekhaya, are you willing now? Are you willing to leave that toxic relationship? Are you willing to leave that toxic job? Are you willing to leave that toxic friendship? Ikuwena.
Uwe. Engifuna ukuba cacisela kokho konye ukuthi kuyabanda ningathathi inqumo ebhedayo lapho ugcine dotha umakhelwane la usuthi usobukela imovie la ngayithatha inqumo ebhedayo nizomithisana kuyabanda futhi sikhona ke ngoma kwapheni ahleki samtshela ukuthi ayimeke kuyakudakela kuphela
Asingena David.
bafethu sinabo samba nolova abawuthula olover abawuthu shuthi labafethu babe o-achuse basengo-achuse namanje angazi kodwa phela ukuthi omunye ucabangani but kodwa bebehlala bonke bengo-achuse engazi ukuthi khona omunye owenza okunye omunye ongafeel right ngakho so ufuna ukumbuza noku-understand ukuthi why kwenzeka kanjalo bese siyezwa futhi ukuthi ke mase emchazelile bayaqhubeka yini balungisa ubudlelwano babo noma hayi ikhotha ekhothayo engayikhotha ekhahlela umlomo.
Hayibo.
Sozwa ngabo kodwa ukuthi bathini sidotha ubafo cela usondele
Zwana mfowethu.
lo osibhalele siza ukuthi kwenze njani
Wena wesini.
ngapha kanjani
Za ku Facebook.
ngapha ngena nje la kuyabantu ngaphandle ngena ngaphakathi hayi so ilungisa ngisho kubanda mfethu ngapha kahle kodwa kabuyami
Hayi ndiyaphila. Ngiyacenga impilo nokho. Yeah, it's tough but yeah. Yaphileka nokho.
kaloku yaphambili njenge ambulance ngeke ukhala umile
Yeah.
kunzima kodwa tabalasa yabo
Njalo yeah.
tabalasa no mfethu siyabonga ukuthi usibhalele nokuthi usithembe ukuthi mhlawumbe le ndaba makukhona nathi singayixoxa ndawo kahle sisonke ndawonye sama out to 4 otherwise mhlawumbe ngicabanga ukuthi into obungayikhuluma or mhlawumbe into ongavele uyiye kanjalo uphume kuyiqhubeke nempilo but kungikhombisa ukuthi shuthi usafuna ukuthi uzwane nobafo nibe grand.
Yeah, nisafuna ne mara situation.
Kwenzakalani nje mfethu kahle kahle okay igama ubani
Igama mina ingane igama lami ne. Yeah. So yeah I've been working ke lana ke Jozi ke nomngane wami ke uAndrew ne
Yeah.
safumana ispan like online yabo those online jobs.
Oh, okay.
We thought like it's a scam ne
Okay, okay.
so like it's a scam easy
Yeah.
but like yabona ke impilo ke sa apply khona yabo.
No, but ngiyaqolisa ukuphazamisa. Bengicela uqala ungitshele nje nge-out yakho ubani uthobani kama?
uAndrew yeah.
U-Andrew mhlawumbe nazana la eGoli nibuye emakhaya ndawonye nina how long nazana naye and i-friendship yenu ibi kanjani?
Yes, nana yene sina 6 years sazana ne.
Okay.
Ndiyabona ke Goli like no one is actually from here Johannesburg yabo.
Yeah, yeah.
We all come from somewhere.
Endaweni ehlukene.
And awufika lana ke like nefuna like wenza ubuhlobo nabantu yabo.
Yeah, yeah.
Ubuhlobo nabantu like so that like ne xa izinto better you know who to talk to
Yes,
yabo.
please.
So like we've been like friends for like 6 years yabo.
Okay.
Siphanda sonke sokola sonke yabo sihana sonke nje for jobs yabo and stuff nje yabo. So yeah, mina ngumXhosa from Eastern Cape. Yena like ne ungumpedi yabo.
Oh, Mpedi.
Yeah.
Manda-ke
Just
nizwana
Pedi,
kanjani?
Tswana,
Yasazi iSpedi.
Sotho, yeah. Titha
Yeah,
konke
no,
nje uyakwazi. So I know everything.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
So ungasho ukuthi i-friendship yenu bekuyinto ebi-grand ibihamba kahle yonke lento leyo. Izinto eningi benzenza ndawonye in.
Everything like we go drink out together.
Yeah.
Yabo. Sishila sonke. And game like I'm more of like an introvert, yabo.
Okay.
But still though, besiba comfortable xa sisonke yabo.
Yes,
Because naye he's like more of an introvert. Uzombona now.
okay.
But nje like xa sisonke like kuba mnandi yabo.
Yeah.
We enjoy ourselves. Xa siphuma sonke yabo.
That's
Just the two of us only. No one else nje. So like yeah.
Okay. No. Then kushintsha phi ke yonke lento manje ngoba
Ndoda.
usibekile ukuthi beni right nimnandi.
Yeah.
Kushintsha.
Yazi. Yabona emsebenzini. Ulthola like don't mix like business with pleasure.
Yeah. Because babesho njalo
Friends.
basebesha amantombazane ke mina ukuthi.
No, it's not actually like
Pleasure.
don't mix like friends,
Okay.
business, everything, money nje like nje don't mix nje because
Okay.
we were good ne, but like ne, you know like ne, it's up go May kanje like ne, May June like ne, kuyabanda.
Yeah.
So like now we did like go out when siyophuza ne on the weekends siyophuza. Mara now it's cold like ne siyalova emsebenzini. Like if like we drink on like Saturday, Sunday, on Monday asiye emsebenzini.
Yeah,
Yabo siyalova yeah we do njalo nje. So like ne it's like ne umsebenzi wethu like ne sales yabo.
Yeah.
You get paid like in a commission.
Oh, okay.
And ke na ke wenza more sales than me yabo.
Okay.
So even if like emsebenzini sele elovile aba complain a lot because wenza many sales he covers up yabo.
Oh, yeah.
And then for me
so
yeah,
lento ukuthi umsebenzi wakho vele uphambili.
yeah and then for me kuyabheda ne so like at work now they are complaining but like ne why you love even though like you're not even good in sales mara for yena he's like very
Yeah.
good yabo. So like ne yeah then sabane slove balisiqolisa ngona ayisiyaxolisa manager where sorry yabo.
Incwadi, you know, Dr.
Ngicela face to face like ne face to face like ne.
Oh, okay.
Incwadi like they can even buy it incwadi.
Okay. Yeah.
Yabo. Sibasixolisa fa kuyi yabo. So like ne I think like at work be tired andazi like ne but like umjida like ne dichilo kuye like ne ba uncovele on Monday I'm not coming to work yabo because ndiyaziba like unco right like nebabalaza yabo. So like ne
Intenzeke nini le?
yo like 3 months back
Oh, 3 months back.
like
Okay.
yeah ne so he was supposed to like cover for me to manage out but like ne andizokwazi emsebenzini yabo. So yena andazi lokwenzeke ntoni I don't know because like ne determined figure the following day kwathiwa like ne I'm not welcomed boqasha abanye abantu futhi like ne the manager was complaining complain but like ne andikho good kwi sales yalova nolova until like babhayi kanjalo nje.
So wavela yenza lento kuthiwa immediately effect.
Like out nje kanjalo nje like out nje like
But
ne, no letter no nothing like out nje.
So ufuna ungitshela ukuthi ngoba mfethu usuka eKazi waze la ke sinamhlanje wena ubafo ngoba ehlala la yena wena awusahlali naye ngoba uthi phela beninonke
Sihlala sonke but now asikho like together like now because like yena uyaphangela ne
Yeah.
naniphangeli
Awuphangeli.
so now
Sekuna
awusakwazi
three months
uchilla yeah asakwazi uchilla asakwazi outer kabambi like phone ka communicate even like man dinga assistance like ngemali nje like since angisebenzi right le akasa like respond like now nje so like nje and ignore nje yabo undiyekile nje kanjalo so like I want to know but like why yabo because I even like ne don't understand indlela like ne indaqoshwa ngayo emsebenzini like zange like antithelele yabo like defend me at work yabo
akuvikela asho
something like that nje like ingathi nje like ngathi wazi thetha yini ngibona kwami
but mawuxoshwa emsebenzini ukhulumile naye ubafu wamtshela ukuthi hey mfethu yazi sengixoshwe emsebenzini mhlawumbe akutshela ukuthi hey kwenzakaleni noma mhlawumbe wamtshela yena wavele
brother that's why I'm here dinga explanation nje like angiqebe like what exactly happened because like njengoba nisisho nje like ne ifuna akayiphendula ya ignore ngathi uniblock kahle yabo so like that's why I'm here yabo dinga like ne ukwazi like ne what exactly happened that day yabo
so umuso okay before ngithi masotholile so na bafu una 3 months ungasebenza
indoda
and then to move back to eKasi
imagine hlela khona apha eKasi
yabo mawukhuluma naye awusamtholi kalula
phone
so now understand ukuthi friendship yeni say right or mhlawumbe yaba ngoya or mhlawumbe khona ezinye izinto ezenza ukuthi ungasamtholi efonini mhlawumbe ezinye ongazazi awazi
I don't think izikhona mara for me nje kuyandidedela nje like kuyabheda like kakhulu nje
so okay ubafu vele sihamba nayo khona ledi usishutha akazi ukuthi kwenzakalani ukuthi uzothi kuyi but when you expect ukuthi masukhulumile naye wambuza wamtshela ukuthi mfethu understand 1 2 3 ufuna nje uku-understand ufuna kwenzakaleni egcineni mhlawumbe nilungise relationship yeni nibe great nobafu or nje ufuna ukwazi lento ufuna ukwazi bese uyaphuma kuyi
yazi ndifuna iclosure nje yabo ndifuna iclosure about what happened yabo then mhlambi like if ever like naye he's willing maybe like nesinga right futhi yabo because
kula bantu nisebenza nabo isinye staff khona mhlawumbe wababuza ukuthi hey kwenzakaleni bafethu ngiqoshwe kanjani mina bangaka abanye abaqoshiwe noma yimi ngedwa awukazi ukubuza isinye staff
ayindimdodwa abanye baziyekela ne
okay
baziyekela cause like abanye baqoshwa abanye baziyekela cause benikhe abuza nje koyi1 yabo wanixela like yo nayo iyekile yabo mara ke like uthole omnye umsebenzi wenye indawo so like ubhetele for yena yabo
no angina stress mfethu siyaleza udaba lakho uba futhi uzomdonsa emontweni nje manje and then bese ke uyaqala uyambuza ukuthi mfethu since ngaphuma emsebenzini ngina 3 months manje ngaphuma emsebenzini relationship yethu ayisafani nasekuqaleni nokuxosheka kwami ngi-understand ukuthi hawu ndoda ngoba phela ngithemba ukuthi uzongikhava kwenzakalani ngoba mhlawumbe wakukhava mhlawumbe asazi
angiqondi I doubt
kodwa sizozwa ngayo
I doubt
okay
because akabambi nefoni umuntu o like liba like at least uyathi ba like hey yabo so now
okay asina stress bafa umdonsa lapha emotweni uze naye sondele naye sizwe ukuthi but kodwa ke vele ekugcineni nje kahle kahle ezinye izinto nabafo egoli because uthi mhlanganele vele la ukuphethu umphosa kumele ubuye wazi ukuthi you on your own la egoli sometimes umngane ngakushiya endleleni vele kushiya ekhonini nje kanje
usho kanjalo
uyabona so this time if you are sorry span in yes kumele ube nabangani impilo kanjalo vele dinga ube nabantu but ungakhohlwa ukwazi ukuthi ekugcineni uwe wedwa ngizwa abanye bethi ngiqhitshwa ngedwa mase ngiqhitshwa mase ngifeli ngeke ufe naye
hayi wrong lo nto leyo
but then otherwise no ngasizwe story sakho and kuyinto engekho grand mfethu ukuthi ngithi ngikuthembile
and then like shang still
mfethu
hayi uma khona nje ngapha umfowabo okay
kamba kahle kabuya
ngahlehla
fresh ula showcase uyayibuza ukuthi namadoda senza sonke lana base bangishiye emotweni ngedwa sebekhuluma abathini manje lapha bayahleba
ayibuthe mfethu
so
it's been a while uyasho bafuthi hayi senesikhathi esithi impela ningabonani kade benizwana ningabangani mhlala nonke for 6 years nazana usho uchaza kanjalo
life happened nje
ungase nje bese boy ncanywa nje ngomjida wakho
kila uthilele grand nje kila uthilele grand like Wile, or we've known each other for quite some time.
Shada abantwana, ngishada abantwana.
Yeah, he's a cool guy. Narespana kaufela. Robert Hasil sida.
Yeah, showcase.
Obviously we still young future to reparty grouping
Yeah, vela bangani mfethu.
But you know the thing with me, I can balance.
Oh,
I
okay.
can balance.
Yeah.
I can go to groove. But the next day, if something gets spanning again, and then he's sleeping on Kalahani.
Eh,
And the penalty it's like much Reju.
okay.
Yeah.
It seems like uyayazi to.
Alright.
Enzakalayo na. Bafo. Asikise nje ukuphula cause ngiyabona ukuthi sobhekephi.
Yeah.
Ngifuna ukuthi kube yiyo le ndoda le njenge kuyona esibhalele yasibiza.
Okay.
Ikhulumela ungabusuku uqhamuka wona phambili because ngiyabona indaba angasiyafana. Khuluma phethe ukuthi yini le ekulethelana.
Uyalazi udaba. And like now you can see like he's already explaining without even being asked because like he knows what he did. Uyazazi ba like wenze intoni. And the reason I brought you here bra angry ne like bra like I feel like I'm betraying nje too. Cause like now angisebenzi ngenxa yakho. You were supposed to like cover for me at work nje intwana yami but like nje waniyeka nje kanjalo nje. Yabo? And like now like look at me saying besihlangu wesikole like ama toughest nje now nesihlangu nje. I got nothing. Yabo? Like look nje like beggar. Yabo? So like then look at you.
Okay.
Yabo? You are doing man. I try to like contact you like angry because I won't beg like yabo. But nje like distant from me after like I got fired and I think like and like zangu explain it but like in a how yabo like in the explanation like and because I'm bumping the phone like you like
So wona bafo Andrew uyakhumbula mhlawumbe ukuthi ubafo mayixoshwa esipanini kwakade kwenzakaleni waxoshwa kanjani in because ngiyamuza ma explain ukuthi wayelindele ukuba uzomkhavela since nini okwenza izinto ndawonye omunye mayethe omunye ukhavela omunye.
Kautswara, but like I said, I've been doing it on Salahani. Khale ke mo coverela mfethu.
Okay.
People get tired. Balapha abantu. On Salahani.
Yeah.
People get tired. So ke ile ko manager enda ka zama mo coverela. On Salahani, but the manager entertain hore jo. Ulwena o tlo vaya. Because I'm tired of getting to this alone. Every time we get same story every time. Especially Monday. On Salahani.
Showcase.
So if Luena o batla coverela mjita, o ya vaya Luena.
Shuthi kahle singasho ukuthi umanager beseyibona lento le ubesebona ukuthi hayi la
Yeah, wanhlalahanye. Mare to be honest, he was dating a girl go Spain man. Wanhlalahanye. Ugele told me Horejo, I leave this guy in fact. Wanhlalahanye because enough always had feelings for you. I was like, aish. Kuri like there was a mixture of two things. Wanhlalahanye. Manager is like and the girl is like it's fine. Wanhlalahanye.
so okay manaka
Even no sa date le rato.
uyaxoka lo
You don't know le rato.
Khawumi imiyakule rato leave the rato alone nje
Okay.
like oqala nje like ne this guy is doing most days at work.
yeah
The managers like bayamthanda kakhulu like they love him a lot nje so this thing of him saying like the manager was gonna like fire him and stuff and even nje like they love him a lot bayamthanda isibani kakhulu nje bamthanda kakhulu isibani like when there's anything nje like his name it's his name but like so this thing nje bra
so wona Andrew bafo mangizwa kahle ngizofaka okay ngiyakuzwa ukuthi asimbeke eceleni uLerato kulungile vele akahlangana le ndaba but ngifuna ukuzwa i-reason yakho yokuthi uthi uLerato kwenzakalani uthandana bekajona nobafo so wathi uthanda wena.
As I was saying, Chaka, ne? It was on a Monday. Weekend then really groove.
Yes, na ubafo.
Yes. Salahani. Kila utilele grand.
Yeah.
Salahani. The very same thing I've been doing for him. Unkupilo Rejo, please cover for me. And I was like, okay, cool. Because I've been doing it, it's not a problem. Salahani.
Showcase.
But I guess I go spend manager next. You've been like, every time again the same story over and over again. Salahani. When I let you do a whole little vibe.
No, it's
You mean no, it's fine. I vacation story, right? You know what is fine because give it to protect us when it's a campaign.
okay
But to protect us when it's a campaign. You can let smaller. I need to take care of smaller side.
okay showcase yeah
So in the midst of that, Wantalahanya, Ulerado, this guy was dating Ulerado.
Okay.
Wantalahanya, and Ulerado was on the pipeline for what? A promotion manager.
Oh.
Wa tlhaloganya. So ga ke kena ka da Lerato ba mo promotile.
Okay.
She's there in the room.
Okay.
Wa tlhaloganya. Lerato ena reng ara e jo tswa mo Diamond and then in my head I know gore batho ba keng ke
Ba-
kapoi.
yes, yeah, yeah.
I don't expect Lerato gore are leave this guy.
Yeah.
Wa tlhaloganya.
Okay.
Wa tlhaloganya. It's either you or this guy. Obviously I mean I can't pick you mfethu. Ke spani mfethu.
Yeah, but
I can't
then
pick you.
okay, ngiyunderstand vele i-situation mayenzeka manje basho kanje uLerato bathe baba choose one, it's either you choose this or you choose Span.
Yeah.
Okay, uyachoose vele wena same time khona la.
Yeah.
But mawufika endlini ke uyamxoxela ubafu ukuthi awuyini namhlanje phela yazi nakho kwenzeka izinto ngenye indlela.
No, after work, Lerato came with me, told me how she's been wanting me. What and she said, ah, then face.
Hayi.
Kale. So, ke nan chaize more jo tswa mo Diamond. So, e be ke tswa fela mo wena ke ra e jo tla ba grand in fact. Spani una experience in fact. You've been doing this for quite some time. Una experience. I'm sure you can find something.
But
I
so
thought actually you were
3
working.
months manje.
I thought he was working honestly.
Yeah, mara why is one ngixeleli bro? Zangu utsho kum like like why ungangixeleli? And like this thing kaLerato nje like yazi wena kudala ndikubona nje uyamfuna uLerato wena.
Bafo.
Kudala ndikubona no like serious nje kudala nje like serious nje kudala. Like for real bro. Uthi
So-
uze kuwe wathini like your story nje ayenzi sense nje like uze kuwe wathi yakufuna.
So you think already?
Uyajola no Lerato.
Yeah, now we're a couple. We're a couple. I'm dating Lerato.
So why you say ethi kade umfuni Lerato?
No, Lerato is the one who came to me. I didn't
When
go
I
to Lerato.
accept, so bungamthandi Lerato.
Nah.
Did Lerato force you to fall in love?
Eh, why
No,
you
she
know
didn't force me. She's a manager now. She's a manager now.
So yeah,
You are
dating a
dating her because
manager.
of the manager.
No, because I'm trying to protect my job.
Or you are dating her because you are trying to protect your job.
Yeah.
Not
because-
that you love her.
No.
You don't love her.
No.
You are protecting your job.
Yeah.
Interesting.
It must be like bra like ne if like ne are dating a manager like ne why can't you talk to Lerato to give him my job back?
Oh, akasakuthanda ngithi.
No, it's fine. I don't want her anymore, me too. But like my job at least.
But
She's the manager. I'm Jordan. I am also it.
she doesn't want you there, Lerato. She doesn't want you there.
Ufuna wena la.
Yeah.
Yeah, bruh, do you know we broke code? Like you can't date my ex. Come on.
Ubani owenza ne code?
I don't know. I don't care. But, it works though.
Yeah. Okay. Do you follow code?
Yeah, I tried to follow him.
Okay. Did you
Follow
follow?
Examile. Yeah, when I got there, I was like, you know what, manager,
Yeah.
my friend is not feeling well today. I tried to cover for him.
No, sasikhuluma ngentombazane manje. Let's leave.
Bro, a girl, bro, like,
Yeah.
if a girl belongs to the street, she belongs to the street. She came to me, bro. I didn't go to her.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So
And then now our ties in protect isinkwa.
yeah.
But then uba follow naye.
And I'm done.
So ubona naye uphuma kanjani njengendoda.
I'm fit. Examile, I'm fit.
So for a fact ukuthi okay njalo manje sekuphele 3 months and which uyasebenza. Naku uthola ukuthi asebenza yabona ukhombisa ama-surface manje nebhloko nalo yabona nembobo la. Kukuphatha kanjani nje face yonke lento le nanokuthi ke wena wangena ngandlela wangena ngayo kodwa kwakhahleleka yena.
Yeah.
Kuphatha kanjani face yonke.
Ke la utelele grand. That's why ke re gore ke na le connection. Ke tlo meletsa plan. Because na ke na go le lene. Ke la utelele grand. Ke tlo meletsa plan. I didn't know. I thought he was working. On Talawanya. So ke tlo meletsa plan. I know someone. It's a different company. I know someone. I can speak for him.
So uLerato wathi ungabusaqhumana naye because uyasho ukuthi efonini akasakutholi asa-understand
Yeah,
ukuthi
obviously it was gonna be
qatshaniswa
weird.
yini manje.
It was gonna be weird, bro. Lerato we just blocked him. On Talawanya. Now we're seeing.
Ihlangane noLerato.
Yeah.
Shit.
One.
Okay. But
Dog,
izwa
yeah.
kanjani yonke lento le?
Yeah, it's
Noma khala nje yabo kanti indoda ayikhali le. Kodwa indoda iyakhala first ukuthi indoda ayikhali iyabhedala. Mana ish. Okay. Uyayizwa into esho baba.
Hayi ndiyamvubuthini bra. Mara
So now i-reason uyayazi ukuthi why ungasahlala etown, why ungasasebenzi, mhlawumbe futhi why ungasathandani noLerato. Lapho okay, mhlawumbe ungasamthandani kodwa nje enye izizathu sokuthi hawu kanti ingoba usephusha nobafu and bahlangana ukuthi hayi thusa kuphume wena.
yazi i-betrayal nje so like betrayal nje if you know what betrayal is nje because like at least like ne is my friend benokusho kumba like mina okay like bra this is what is happening yabo.
Yes.
So like I can know yabo because like now ngishiye in the dark yabo. So like now it's the first time I even like hear all of this but like ne uLerato this Lerato that yabo.
Shit.
So yeah.
Yazi mina ngokubona kwami mina bafethu ngeke. Wena Andrew. the way engibheke ngakhona, the way ngi-analyze ngakhona, yabo. Ukuthi you were not completely wrong. The way mhlawumbe ubafaka ibeka ngakhona. You were right for ukuprotecta umsebenzi wakho because at the end of the day you came here alone. Nahlangana la eGoli. Wawuzosebenza ngoba usho ukuthi uzosebenzela ini intwana yakho.
Sure.
Right? And leyo mina ngikushayela izandla kuyona for ukuthi you try to protect isibani sakho. Number 2, I do not think ukuthi mhlawumbe umuntu engaxoshisa emsebenzini ngamabomu especially sengiphushe for isikhathi esingaka. Right? But ke la u wrong khona mina engifila ngathi u wrong khona is dating umuntu obuwazi kahle ukuthi uthandana nempintshi yakho. Right? I feel like on that one that's where you crossed the line. I sing amajita and as amajita siyenzi lo nto le. You do not date umuntu othandana nempintshi yakho or ex yempintshi yakho. So you can imagine, I can imagine the way I feel ngakhona manje because shoot yena kuyena manje ubuka ngathi double betrayal. But leyo umsebenzi yona mina angiblame kuyona. But yabo leyo kuthusana noLerato ekubeni bowazi kahle ukuthi bethandana nobafu. That was wrong. But also I kind of understand why you did it. As much as it was wrong, but I kind of understand because when you were trying to keep your job as well.
Yeah. But she's a manager now.
Yeah, but still.
So excuse kwakukabili ukuthi it's either uyangithatha ngoba ngithi ngiyakuthanda if awungithandi
You never know,
you
bro.
out
If I reject her and she's like, vaya, hey.
Now
Vaya, man. You never know, bro. You never know.
yes so zange ufikele nje umqondo ukuthi ayazi ngilungile ngizovaya mfethu awuthi mina sami sobheka umunye umsebenzi
Mfethu. Can I small on Mfethu? I
Yeah.
need money, bro. I need money.
shit wanna do it unayingane
No.
oh you just
I
gave
have a brother. No.
brother
Yeah.
okay
Younger brother.
brother
Yeah.
shit so mfethu silana usechaphazile ubafu sonke story indaba obungayazi nani so yazi manje sikwenzakalani yini ufuna yenzakale ngobafu ufuna nihlape ngisazoqhubeka nizwana nibe ama outs njengoba bene ngakhona before or
Andazi like ne because first of all nje u-defensive yabo and akashonga ukuthi sorry yabo Mariasho ke ba like unawo connection for a job so like yeah so bona ke ngokule like inyani the truth in what he's saying but like the connection le job yakhe ba is gonna happen now yeah
nange bafukhala ukuthi awushoko nokuthi sorry but yakuzwa lokho kunye ukuthi usozomhlanganisela somewhere somehow
Yeah.
but ukhala ukuthi awusho nokuthi sorry
Get to make a show. Get to make it like guaranteed. Get to make a show. What about Tolaspan and Johar in Fitch? I didn't know you. I didn't know. Rema Uti Fitch. Rema Uti. Rema Uti. But when I ask Span, get to make a show. I'll make sure. Trust me. This week.
this week
Yeah.
okay uzokwenza njalo uzokhuluma noLerato or mhlawumbe uzomzamela kwezinye indawo
It's a different company.
Lerato off limit.
Yeah, Lerato.
Okay.
Yeah.
You know what I can say to Putin? You know what I can tell you, my king?
yeah
More than anything, the way ngibona ngakhona mina ngibona is a lesson. This is a lesson, and unfortunately sometimes i-lesson iza kuwena and ikushaye ikuse phansi for you ukuthi uxoshe ama-pieces and rise up. Ikabili lento le, it's either i-lesson uyayiyeka ikhawathe or you fix the things that were happening and then uqhubeke nempilo because impilo is not gonna wait for you ukuthi you are going through what you are going through. Yangibamba. And also angifuna ukuthi uyithathe uyifake ekhanda ukuthi angeke ucontrol ukuthi omunye umuntu wenza njani empilweni. Ningabangani yes but you can't control ukuthi umngane wakho wenze njani. Uyabetray or kwenzakalani. No, you can't control, you can never control that. But what you can control ubuwena. You can control yourself. You can control the people that you want in your life. Yangibamba. And you can control ukuthi emsebenzini wena ufuna ukusebenza kanjani. So now trust me, yabona umsebenzi uzothola after today, even nakusasa, because anything can happen at any day. Asazi ukuthi kwenzakalani empilweni. Yabo. So kungenzeka noma yini kahle kahle. So wena mawuzongena kulomsebenzi olandelayo uNkulunkulu mayekubusisa ngalomsebenzi azokubusisa ngawo. Trust me, you will know ukuthi yini okumele uyenze, yini okumele ungayenzi, yini obani okumele ube nabo. Uyabo? It's not only about to protect, nawe kumele uprotect umsebenzi wakho ngokurespect umsebenzi. It's very important ukuthi urespect umsebenzi. So yiko ngithi this thing mhlawumbe ubungeke ufunde if ayenzeka ngalento le. So ithathe as ukufunda ukuthi yazi at the end of the day you came here alone. Ejozi khona la uyi-1. And nasemhlabeni futhi weza uyi-1. Yangibamba. So what is the most important thing now? Past is not going to help you. What you are discussing now is a past. What is important now usuku la namhlanje nosuku la kusasa because singa change ukuthi kwenzakalani. We can still change our stories. What happened yesterday is history. Can never come back, but it's a lesson. And in lesson it's very important ukuthi uyithathe ifake enhlizweni nasengqondweni wazi ukuthi from now on mangithola into kanje this is how I'm going to move. Very 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 important.
Yeah.
Take this as a lesson
Yeah.
more than anything.
Yeah, nami mhlawumbe ngakunye ngak-add to you bafo ukuthi yes wenze lento oyenzile but kwesinye isikhathi nokufila kathi emhlabeni kumele sibuke yes uyizele wena uyi-1 goal nayo izele i-1 goal but kumele sikubuke ukusibuka ubungane yabo because maybe one day ngeke wazi mhlawumbe bafisa isipana ezosithola esilandelayo mhlawumbe ngaba isipana sokuthi esikhulu esomnikeza imali ekhulu mhlawumbe ongagcina nawe usufuna ukuthi hey bafo awungisize lapho or maybe mhlawumbe kwenzeke mhlawumbe empilweni uphazamiseke iningi ezenzakalayo la eGoli mhlawumbe ugciniye emakhaya ingcosi yakho mhlawumbe ugcina sokuyisupporta ubafo kanti nge-friendship enayo builder so ubuye ukubuke nalokho ungacabangi kuphela ukuthi hey ngifuna leya mali leya because imali mfethu siyayenza iyaphela siyenze iphele in but umuntu esingayikhanda singayiprotect ukuthi ingapheli and singayiprotect ukuthi ngelinye ilanga usize izingane zami uyabo so but now uma sombrithe kanje angeke sakhona even sengithola umsebenzi ongiholela 70,000 ngenyanga or 100,000 ngenyanga ayeke ngikhona ukusiza izingane zakho because wangilahla wena ukuhlangana nentombazane yabo so ezinye izinto kumele sibe sizibuke nalezo nalezo ubafa esho kuwe na futhi izinto kumele besizibuke so kuba kabili but ke kodwa ekugcineni ukuwena ukuthi uthatha kuphi but izinto lokuqala lento yokuqala efike kunembeza wakho iyona esuke
Yeah, it's the truth.
yeah if wena wafukelwa ukuthi khahlela ubafu shuthi khona kwaku right
As another for I think thina as people into esi sometimes esilimaza engqondweni ukuthi nje in people in general angisakhulumeli nini sengiyasho nje in people in general people think that they're not gonna lose what they have.
yes
Abantu
kuzoba forever
Yes, kunabantu abacabanga ukuthi because I'm in this situation right now mhlawumbe I'm able to afford 1 and 2 and 3 and yena ucabanga ukuthi ngeke uzibuze lezi zinto
and ngoba lo aka-affordanga ngeke ngifice uzoba lapha
yes life ayinayo i-formula. Life doesn't have formula. You know it's very important ukuthi whatever that you have also you must be able ukuthi we keep. How do you keep it? By ngoba esho nje ubafu ukuthi to people that are close to you make sure ukuthi you are loyal to them because for a fact ukuthi this person is into your life akekho kwi life yakho for ngathini for amahali uNkulunkulu yonke into yenza for a reason right so ukufaka engqondweni ukuthi anything can happen at any day. You can lose your job tomorrow morning manje ngesiphuma la ungathola i-email ethi
yabo
imali ayikho ku company, you've lost your job. Like literally
so ngaleso sikhathi usayasebenza
just like
yena
that. I-life iyaflip.
iyafika so yabo nje life masuku unabo abangani usuku nayo umngani akwenzeki mhlawumbe isikhathi njengaso isikhathi hlezi ni right hlezi ni spanner grand nobabili kuyenzeka nina uphele kuwe ebe right nawe ufana ukuthi u right my right kuyenzeka kuphele kuzokuphela kuwe ube right naye kuzofana ukuthi u right because uyazi ukuthi hayi social am grand I should nami ngi grand yabo singacabangeli imanje kuphela because makungabheda kuwe manje kuyise ku right on some betrayal akusabuyeleki ke manje kusemele uqale phansi khanda omunye umngane ozokusiza elifini but otherwise asijudge sisho lutho uba befuna ukwazi ngoba esilethela ukuthi kwenzakalani because bekhala ukuthi akasakutholi and explanation akayazi ukuthi hawu because bekuyi out yami le 6 years broma sonke siphanda sonke siphuza sonke and then sengiphelele umsebenzi sengihlala ekasi angisamtholi awusengijikele uba for understand ukuthi kwenzakalani bekuyileyo nto leyo nje silethela yeah.
But yeah.
So now, Jack, like I said, I do apologize. I didn't know you're not working. Like I said, plan and I've quit drinking. I've been sober now for 3 months. So I'm hoping you can do the same. Alcohol is not important, bro. Spanish is important. You have a brother, like you said. You have people who you need to take care of. Same lane. So I hope you're not. Yeah, I was control lagi alcohol on jaga. Ipangkanya lo di position pila. Ira how you interview, you are down fresh. You are able to be proud of motoling in. So yeah, I've been sober. I hope you can do the same, and I'm wishing that for you as well. Let's focus.
Hayi ngiyamva nje and like nami nje I haven't been drinking yabo because I'm not working yabo namali so yeah.
Wena bungaphuzi ngoba ungasebenzi noma mhlawumbe usudecide yabo ukuthi hayi cha nami ngiyayeka.
Na bengenamali nje yabo.
Kodwa bonga thola isipayini uqala phela.
Mama thola isipayini uzobuyela phela. Hayi ukukhumbule.
Ngafale. Sikuthengele thunyana mhlawumbe. Uthi kwehlisa lezini.
No, it's fine. It's fine. It's fine.
Oh.
Life goes on. So yeah.
A proper handshake would do. Yeah. That's all. Yeah. Wow.
Hayi injalo bafethu. Basehlula amadoda yabiko. Ngiyafisa kodwa ukuthi ngokuhamba kwesikhathi umdlalo nebeni bafethu yabo buye nibe grand and into enye kumele nibamba nje maniqhubeka niyaphambili nikugwema ukuthi mhlawumbe ixabaneni kweni kube nentombazane phakathi yaxabaniswa intombazane maningi amantombazane and amanye vele ama distractions empilweni zethu ukuthi siphazamiseke yabo athunyelwe usathane amanye ukuthi vele azosimoshela yabo ungaba nemali manje ivuke ithi abuser
So ngasho
ivula iqala
amantombazane athunyelwa usathane.
bathunyelwe mina ngisho njalo anje nangu Adam
Nolipopo boy.
Nolipopo boy ulipopo boy manje
Boy manje
iiponsa ziyaphuma iiponsa ntombazane yes
bonakala ivideo benza imanual lapha
and it's not like ukuthi lipopo boy akayazi into ukuthi lento ayenzile wrong even if yabo nje manje uyazazi ufamous okwenza in usho ukuthi usebenza nje mfethu umkhulu lento yenzayo masukujaja ke baba siyajaja ke manje wajaji ngoba siyazi ukuthi bekwenzakalini so besho music video but kodwa you can record is kanje ya
bathi music video music video that's ukuthi mina naba for what is crazy ne talento ka Limpopo boy and sometimes fame bafethu ifame ne is very dangerous yabo ifame nje baf more famous impilo yakho is on edge. You need to calculate everything that you do, especially mhlawumbe ngamantombazane, because most of the time umuntu wesilisa and wazi ukuthi you are in a limelight. Be careful of the people abantu besimame oyibandakanyaza nabo oyifaka nabo or whatever yabo, because
no person
man we are
but Limpopo boy is not the first person to do this.
Uncle Vinny.
Number one, he's literally he's a human being, and he's not the first person ukwenza lento le. But because he is famous, indaba yakhe yabanda.
Ngaphandle nje kokuba famous uyabona elifeni mfethu sasesikhuluma nje zama outside trend ngithi elifeni nje mfethu ngisho thiwa ukho famous once waqala ukuphumelela empilweni usathane uzofika.
Injalo.
Uzofika usathane ngazo zonke indlela.
Yeah.
Yabo if u famous uzozamisa indlela yokuthi adile ngayo ngendlela yokuthi u famous.
Yeah.
If awukho famous lapho
Sizokhala.
school thizeni kuphi uzofika ngendlela ethile.
That's wisdom.
Yabo hayi sithi lapho ukuthi amantombazane always but usathane uyafika u famous because lo mjida lo uyazi ukuthi lento engikase ishoot uyazi ukuthi hey lento beke yaphunyuka. Wow uyakwazi.
He knew very well.
Yabo but kodwa idemon lifikile and lento uyicabanga ephinde iflash akacabanga ukuthi hayi ingenzeka imistake.
Uyena ophethe phone.
Yabo so into ekanjalo bafethu that's why ngithi nje sikade amantombazane sikade akusiwonke amantombazane amabi aze ngubudemon uzomosha impilo zethu but bakhona labo because ngikhuluma namhlanje uLimpopo Boy ziyaphuma iziponsa ugeno right yaqhubeka nama video ama selfie shaba OTD impilo yaqhubeka kuyena
uLimpopo
impilo ngabo yabo so into ekanjalo nje singama out sibonisane sikhulume mfethu 1 2 3 awukho grand bafethu hey mina nakuku kanje ngenze kanjani hey mfethu nakho emsebenzini bafuna ukudiliza manje hey yabo uyamhlebela ubafu yabo umtshela ungafisalisuthula nje yabo yeah otherwise hayi bafethu ngiyajabula mina ukuthi le ndaba siyakhona ukuyisolve and then sigrand akekho ubambele ihintsho omunye obafu ombambela ngahintsho right
No, it's fine, bro. Life goes on nje qethile yabo. So yeah.
no anginankinga bafethu
Gentleman hayi ngosiyabona.
no kuyabanda ngiyezothiwa ngale kwena kini intaba zimhlobo yebo intaba zimhlobo neslow awunazi snow angisiboni sathi ngikhuluma ngaso sabele saqhamuka
I know.
Yongile.
Bafethu hayi ngingangena emontweni nje nisilinde khona akunankinga thina sovala ishow bese enjoy.
Yeah.
Okay, sure.
Hayi kulungile inkampani zami. Awuzweke.
Hey, ya ne.
Yeah, I know. Hey bafethu asikhandi ziyenzeka. Kunjalo impela kuyabitroyana kuyalena lena. Uyabona nje.
Hey yabo le nto abantu besimame mfethu.
Yes, because
Wayenza uNkulunkulu.
ulo
Yabesilisa nabesimame.
umthita naye ubetraywe. Ulo ambetrayile wapost ivideo. Ngicela uvule lapha ifika vula.
Bathi bamlokhu nje la ngithi bathi ihackiwe account.
Ihekhiwe.
Kwatholakala ilokhu njani. Kwatholakala shoot ama-video umuntu wabona nama video lawa
Share.
wafana.
Shit. And then khona i-out khona i-out athe ngibuka ivideo yawo lapha na ku Twitter. Le out ithi yes Limpopo Boy. Ithi yes.
Kanjani?
Kade ngikufuna.
Ngani?
Ithi bakuthola.
Kanjani?
Aw happy. Uthi angazi umsola ngathi mhlawumbe wakwazama ukudla umfazi wakhe naye or kwawenzakalani.
Vele umuntu vele.
Kodwa nje uthi kune video engenzeka. Shuthi ubafu lokhulumayo le video yenzeke ngaye. Nentombi yakhe shuthi babexabana something ngathi uLimpopo Boy wayishare. Share video. Bayena siyayibona ijabule ithi yes ijabule ithi lakho.
I-social media la.
Ithi yes.
Yabona whoever created i-social media. Positive phinde ibe negative.
Yeah.
And hey negative bakhona bukho right.
Eyo bebheda.
Kakhulu.
Into kanje ngicabanga mfethu. Ish.
Yeah.
Uyibulela impilo yakho. Someqale phansi.
But ke indoda mfethu iyawuphinde ivuke. Yabo?
Yeah,
Indoda iyawa phela mfethu lento enzeke kuLimpopo Boy ayisho ukuthi sekuphelile ngempilo yakhe. He's still alive. Usaphefumula. He can always
learn and
it's all impilo it's all about ukufunda mfethu. Impilo it's all about ukufunda because naye ngisho ukuthi lento bengeke ayiposte willingly.
yes I know.
Ungathola baningi abantu abanama video ocathi emafonini nabo.
Athe khumbula
Abangeke bapost.
khumbula nengane le uNdlunkulu lo kade trend ku Facebook. Yena lo ubethanda into ngamaskani. Posta naye busy eyinwaya lapha eyinwaya. And then ingane yaze yavela ukuthi hey bafethu i-account yami yahack.
Exactly.
Lo muntu lokho yangisabisa ukuthi ufuna imali engaka ukuze eye ukuposta ama video ami.
Lalela mfethu. Hey futhi mokuthi kuyenzeka mhlawumbe uke watrenda ngento ekanje. Ungacabanga nokucabanga uyibulala. Because mfethu there's no need. Wonke yabona sonke emhlabeni sinezinto zethu. Akekho umuntu operfect. Ukuthi nje phela wena okwakho kuvela obala. Ngoba kuvela obala usuzocabanga ukuthi mhlawumbe wena ubhedi ke ngalo ndlela no. But nje le nto uzokufundisa ukuthi ube careful next time. Indaba zama video nenza ucansi. Hey lezi zinto lezi sinabanikazi bayo. Khona abantu abenza umsebenzi.
Yebo.
Bakhokhelwa. Wena
bana page. Sayilala ipage yami ngiposta izinto zami.
Wena if ukhokhela.
Hey
if ukhokhela
wayisho
ungayishuthi
wayisho
ngisho ukubona umuntu esethi ifone ethi
wayisho
esibona kwangishutha ngashuthi umhlane wami ubhekene
hawu kathi la manje
saxaba
Hey, Nkosi yami.
back in the days
eh
yabo kodwa nje bafethu ucansi nenza imkhuba hey
ngcono makuthi niyashutha
Ufihlakala.
vula ipage ke straight ke
nenza umsebenzi
nenza umsebenzi
nenza
ke
imali
kube nenamba nithola imali
but uLimpopo boy lapho mfethu mawukuthi mhlambe le video yafika kuwe mfethu ungalahli ithemba you are very talented and into emnandi ukuthi italent alisuki kuwe wena nje thandazela ukuthi uNkulunkulu akupha amandla ukuthi udlule kule situation odlula kuyona ubuye uphinde wenzeni uyiqoqo
Yeah.
uyeke mhlambe nabafazi babantu yabo uyeke abafazi babantu lokho kuyisono ulana nomfazi womuntu kuyisono uyindoda nje wena uthi uzolala nomfazi womuntu wazi kahle futhi uthi umfazi womuntu akukho right noma kuthi uyakufuna uyambona ukuthi akhalela don't do it don't be tempted ukulala nomfazi womuntu
because ama results asukungawazi azothini
but other than that mfo vuka uyithathe you are very talented and baningi abantu abakuthandayo and baningi abantu ababukela kuwena and manje baningi abantu abazobuka ukuthi uzowa noma uzovuka uzoyeka lento ukuthi ikoverpower noma uzoyenza as motivation yokuthi yazini ibe i-testimony ukuthi mina ngike ngawa ngaphinde ngavuka vuka ndoda uyithathe nawe sis lapho next time wena lo wathi wenza umkhuba noLimpopo next time wena ke
yeah
Sithele nendoda.
umjinto uzobathola abantu abagrande nangu no Pastor Zondo
yes
wenza the same thing wawa uvukile manje ubuyile back isipendeni sakhe lapha na kweGagas FM uthi nje it's not over until God says it's over
Amen.
nakuwe Limpopo boy it's not over until God
ngosisi lokadeni uLimpopo boy
no into engayisho ayikho into engayisho because the only thing kumele siyenze no kumele siyazi no Adam wabethray uEva kwasetshenziswa uEva ukuthi uAdam adli aphula kwasetshenziswa uEva so namanje uSathane usebenzise usisi loyana ukuthi uLimpopo boy agcina ayikhohle ukuthi ubani enze ivideo press record in kanti bazomhack so ubengazi uzohackwa naye but kodwa Sathane ungene ngandlela angena ngayo so ayikho into engayisho ngosisi ukuthi nje asikade namantombazane bafowethu amantombazane bafethu ahlukene amanye amantombazane uyambona mfethu umuntu lapha ukuthi hayi cha hayi omunye uyambona abanye kodwa ababonakala sibazi kodwa nje bakhona obabonayo yabo kade ngibona nama video ku girl hayi mina bengazobe ushadile no ujive kanje
ushadile
hayi ujive kakhulu kulungile
alright
sase usambisa ekhaya mfana kuyatonya so ushaya ivideo lapha
gqokile kunjani enza umcinjana omncane
yebo